let's lugaw.
Yes.
Baby girl, you're so damn fine. Don't wanna know if I can hit it from behind.
Cock's trying to outcock me. No. What's going on, guys? Big mix here from Biggie Travels, and today we're gonna check out the best and the finest lugaw. So it's a rice porridge. We're gonna go catch it at 2:30 in the morning at the moment, and I'm gonna go wake my uncle up. Come for the ride. Blah.
Good morning.
Ready to get lugaw?
Yes.
Early morning scramble with a big Tito. So we're taking a walk down the main roads. Just gonna see what lugaw we can find.
Funny.
Which one's the most delicious? Anong mas maganda? The brown coffee, yeah? Sige na? Dalawa? 3:30 AM in the morning, and I'm just here with Tita Jo, and we're about to chow down to some lugaw. Lugaw is kind of like a porridge, kind of like a savoury porridge, and it just tastes banging. So you put a little hint of pepper on it, squeeze that calamansi, also known as the Filipino lime, over the top. Then you give that a little stir, mix that about, add fish sauce or patis. Cheers. Oh yeah, tastes a bit like porridge, a bit of a rice soupy kind of texture. Ay, sweet sweet naman. Kiss, halik. Thank you for ingat. God bless. Literally, we're walking around town, and even late night, everybody knows this guy. This guy's like famous around here. It's delicious, it was absolutely nice. My god, the woman was so friendly. So Tita Jo said to me that if we go to the plaza at night time, it looks a bit like Rome. He wasn't lying, man, look at that.
Like Big Ben.
So each pandesal is only 2 pesos, and it's given here by my kaibigan. Thank you, pare. So this is the pandesal. It looks like a little submarine roll. Sweet breads. We're literally eating on the road. Oh, it's delicious, man. Banging. What's going on, guys? Mix from Biggie Travels here. If you made it this far, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you like all our stuff, you subscribe, and also hit me up with comments. I reply to all the comments. One love.